Listen to the hadith. Whoever believes in Allah and the last day, truly, which means you believe I have to stand and give account of my deeds, and you are worried about it, either utter that which is good or keep quiet. There's no third option for a believer. I see you, I know something about you that might be negative. I'm not going to belittle you because I have more negatives than you that you don't know about. And so the Prophet ﷺ says, watch your tongue. So Mu'adh ibn Jabal asks a question. He says, "O Messenger, will we be responsible for what we say?" What that would mean is, I didn't do anything, I just told you you're stupid, right? What's the big deal? The Prophet ﷺ says, "Thaqilatka ummuka ya Mu'adh." That's a powerful statement. In our language it means, what are you talking about, O Mu'adh? Is there any other reason that people's faces will be smeared in hellfire besides their tongues? Whoa, did you hear that? That means it's your tongue. You utter your shahada with your tongue. You praise Allah with your tongue. You say good words with your tongue. Why do you want to say bad things? You pay a price in the dunya and the akhirah.